Make a great choice today with the 2021 BMW X4. The BMW X4 provides excellent handling and comes standard with all-wheel drive. The X4 has an attractive interior which is outfitted with extremely high-end materials. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate. Your new ride is just a phone call away.